In this tutorial, we will be discussing sets in Python. So, what is a set in Python? A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Let's create a set in Python using curly braces. Here, we have created a set called my_set with 3 elements. What makes a set unique is that it only stores unique elements. Even though we have repeated the element 2, the set will only store it once. Why would you use a set? You would use a set when you want to store a collection of unique elements and you don't care about the order. Let's compare a set to a list in Python. Here, we have created a list called my_list with 4 elements, including a repeated element. Now, let's print both the set and the list. As you can see, the set only stores unique elements and the list stores all elements, including repeated ones. Now that you understand what a set is and why you would use it, try creating your own sets and comparing them to lists. Thanks for watching.